Hello dear students, once again I welcome you all in this series of online video classes. So today this is going to be our second lecture of mathematics of standard 11th. As you all know, in the very first lecture we started chapter number 3 of this NCERT mathematics, that was trigonometric functions. And in that very same lecture we studied about the very first topic, that was relation between degree and radians. I also discussed with you all that what do you mean by degree and radian. These are the two separate units of measuring angle. First one is degree, another is radians. We also discussed the relation between degree and radians, that was 180 degree is equals to pi radians. With the help of this, we also evaluated that 1 degree was equals to pi upon 180 radians. Simultaneously, we can also evaluate by this 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi degree. With the help of these formulas, you can evaluate, or you can convert any degree measure into radian measure, and simultaneously any radian measure into degree measure. After that, we also we converted one very small measure, that was 30 degree into radians, and that was equals to pi by 6 radians. Now with using these formulas, we can convert many measures from degree to radians and from radians to degree. Some very important conversions I'm writing down over here. You can note it down for your future use. First one is, if you would like to convert 0 degree, these measures are in degree, and just downside of them I will write down the measures in radians. 0 degree, students, is equals to 0 radians only, because if you will just see here, 0 degree, when you're going to, in the right hand side, when you're going to multiply this pi upon 180 by 0, then you will get answer as 0 radians only. Therefore 0 degree is equals to 0 radians. Second, 30 degree is equals to pi by radians. This thing we have already studied in our first lecture, that how this 30 degree came pi by 6 radians. Second, thirdly is 45 degree. Since these all degree measures are that measures which whose values we are having in our trigonometric table, that's why I'm writing down here for your benefit. 45 degrees equals to pi by 4. These all measures you can find out by using these three relations. Thirdly, 60 degree. Fourthly, 60 degrees equals to pi by 3 radians. After that, 90 degree. 90 degrees equals to, students, pi by 2 radians. 0 degrees equals to 0 radians. 30 degrees equals to pi by 6 radians. 45 degrees equals to pi by 4 radians. 60 degrees equals to pi by 3 radians. And 90 degrees equals to pi by 2 radians. I'm also going to write down 2 or 3 more degree measures, that is 180 degree. Since 180 degree you are already having here pi radians. From here, short, you can also see, in short, you can see that if 180 degrees equals to pi radians, how much 90 degree? See, 90 degree is just half of 180 degree. 90 degree is just half of 180 degree. So similarly, pi by 2 is also just half of pi radians. So you can very easily understand this. After that, one important measure is, that is 270 degree. Since 270 degrees equals to 3 pi by 2. Again, I am saying all these measures you can evaluate using this formula or this relation. And lastly, 360 degree is equals to 2 pi. For short, to make you understand, I can give the explanation as, see, if 180 degrees equals to pi radians, अगर 180 डिग्री पाई रेडियंस के इक्वल है फ्रेंड्स, देखिए तो 180 डिग्री का 360 डिग्री क्या है, जस्ट डबल. 180 डिग्री का अगर आप डबल करें, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 360 डिग्री. वैसे अगर आप पाई को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 से, तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा, 2 पाई रेडियंस. सो हियर यू आर हैविंग ऑल दिस conversions of degree into radians, that is 0 degrees equals to 0 radians, 30 degrees equals to pi by 6 radians, 45 degrees equals to pi by 4 radians, 60 degrees equals to pi by 3, 90 degrees equals to pi by 2, 180 degrees equals to pi, 270 degrees equals to 3 pi by 2, and 360 degrees equals to 2 pi. Now students, I would like to request that you may note down this conversions in a notebook for your future use. Or you can also take the screenshot at this time. So I think you might have taken screenshot or you might have noted down this conversions. Now we're going to start our very first exercise of chapter number 3, that is exercise 3.1. So students, exercise 3.1 goes like that. First of all, we're going to do very first question of this exercise. I can show you this very first question in the book. You can read out this question along with me. Find the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measures. In the following parts, you can see that there are 4 following parts in which measure is given to you in degree, and you have to convert this degree measure into radians. Just to start with, we are starting with very first measure, that is 25 degree. That is 25 degree. The question is, you have to find out the radian measure corresponding to the following degree measure. That means this measure is given to you in degree measure and you have to convert this measure into radians measure. Since the relation is just simple, as we have just studied in the very previous topic, that was 180 degrees equals to pi radians, or 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radians. Using this very formula, we will evaluate this 25 degree measure. So if 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radians, how much 25 degree will be equals to? 25 degree will be equals to pi upon 180 into 25. Multiply this 25 to the right hand side also. So if something is getting cancelled or eliminated, you may do that. You can cancel out that 5 by 5 and it's 3 and I think 6, 36. So your measure will be 5 pi upon 36 radians. In the previous lecture, I also told that you can write down just radians in short like RAD dot. This RAD dot stands for radians. So this is 25 degree equals to. So that means 25 degree is equals to 5 pi upon 36 radians, and that's your answer. That's the corresponding radian measure of the 25 degree measure, and that's equals to 5 pi upon 36 radians. Now see students, for your convenience, I am doing one more part. Now I am going to do fourth part of this question, and that is 520 degree. That is 520 degree. So friends, again relation is very same, that 1 degree is equals to pi upon 180 radians. So if we have to find out this 520 degree, you have to just multiply on the right hand side this 520. That will give you pi upon 180 into 520. Now you can go for cancellation. 0 got cancelled by 0, and then you can cancel out by 26, 9, I think. Yes, students, I think this is only your answer. That is 26 pi upon 9 radians. 26 pi upon 9 radians. And that is equals to 520 degree. That means 520 degree is equals to 26 pi upon 9 radians. This was the fourth part. Now we have done two parts of this very first question. Remaining two parts you can do as your homework. You can take screenshot or you can note it down in your notebooks. Now students, we shall go for second question. Students, second question is just opposite to the very first. The first question was from was conversion of the degree measure into radian measure. That means measures in degree measure was values in degree measure was given to you, and you have to convert, and you was to convert those degree measures into radian measures. But now in second question you will be given the measures in radian, and you have to convert those measures into degree. The question is like that. Find the degree measures corresponding to the following radians measure. That means in radian measure values are given to you, and you have to convert those measures into degree measures. The very first part is in radian, that is 11 upon 16. The measure is 11 upon 16 radian. Let us see. Yes, this measure is given to you is in radians, and you have to convert it into degree measure. The relation which we just seen in the very first lecture also, and in the very first topic also, which we just studied right now, that was 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi degree. This was the relation, that is 1 radian is equals to 180 upon pi degree. So the measure which we are having here is 11 upon 16 radians. Now if you are going to convert this 11 upon 16 radian into degree, what you are going to do, you are going to just multiply this 11 by 16 on the very right hand side. आपको क्या करना है, राइट हैंड साइड में 180 अपॉन पाई से आपको क्या कर देना है, मल्टीप्लाई कर देना इस 11 अपॉन 16 को. दैट इज 11 अपॉन 16 इंटू 180 अपॉन पाई degree. Now students, see, as we all know, we are having the value of pi as 22 by 7. We can put this value 11 upon 16 into 180 upon 22 into 7 degree. Here also you can put one bracket. Now students, if something is getting cancelled, you may go for that. 11, we know that 2s are 22. Again you can eliminate 2 by 90, then this 8 or 45. I don't think that anything more will be getting cancelled over here, so the remaining thing will be 45 into 7, that is 45 into 7 upon 8. Now we can multiply this 45 by 7. 7 5s are 35 and 7 4s are 28. It is 31. 315 upon 8 degree. Yes. 7 5s are 35. 3 and 7 4s are 28 and 315. Yes, it's. Yes, students, it's 315 upon 8 degree. Students, but you have not to leave your answer as in this fraction. You have to convert this whole measure into degree. Since before that, I would like to give you one brief explanation that you might have studied in your geography in your 9th standard, the latitude and departure of Earth, like that. Some measures you may have seen that like this: 22 degree, 36 minutes, and 40 seconds, like that. I am just giving example, this type of measures you may have seen in your geography, that 22 degree, 36 minutes and 40 seconds. Now what does this minutes represent and what does this second represent, students? See, you can note down here as important. These relations are also very important, and that goes like this, that 1 degree is equals to 60 minutes. This one apostrophe shows the measure of minutes, and secondly 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. What does that mean? That if you have to convert degree into minutes, that conversion is